Welcome back to another vlog. It's Tuesday. I just got to my second appointment to get some more of my lip filler dissolved. I feel like there's a little bit of stubborn filler just kind of like hanging around. Just a tiny bit. I feel like there's more on this side than there is on my left. I just want to get rid of all of it before we do a little bit more, and then I'll be done for a good while. But I love the results so far. They look so much more natural. It's just crazy how much better they look. My husband didn't realize how bad my migration was until after I got them dissolved, and it's kind of the same with me too. It's kind of like when you're used to seeing something so often, you don't really see what's wrong with it. You're just kind of used to it, if that makes sense. So I feel like that's kind of what happened with me. I just got super used to it, but no, the migration was so crazy. My Botox is toxing though. I don't even have any smile lines like I did before. It's so crazy. I love Botox so much. I always forget how much I love it because I only get it like once a year. So I let a lot of it wear off, and then when I get it again, I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm always so impressed. I feel refreshed and brand new, honey. Let's go get the last bit of this filler dissolved. I just finished and she said they look so much better already, and I agree. They're a little swollen, but nothing too crazy. Just came to HomeGoods and I'm looking at these to use as a trash can in my bathroom. I want to redo the vibe, like a boho theme like I did in my other bathroom. I like this one. It's only $12.99. This one's nice too. It's just a little wobbly. I think I'm gonna get this one, but then I think I'm gonna get this to put on top of the toilet to hold some toilet paper. This one's nice too. It's just a little bit too short. I feel like this one looks more like a trash can out of all three of them. And I also want to get some new towels. I'm thinking I'm gonna get some pink towels. I'm just over the black and white vibe that I have going on in there, and I've been wanting to redo it for a while, so just gonna start getting a few things at a time. I want to get a new shower curtain. I'm thinking like a cute floral shower curtain, like a floral boho vibe, I'm thinking. I love this candle. It's $50 though. It smells good. These ones are really cute too. I would never want to light it though. Yeah, this one doesn't smell like anything. I wish they were scented. Oh, I don't know. Should I get this for my bathroom? These are almost cute. I just feel like they look a little granny-ish. I want my shower curtain to have like a little skirt like this, like a floral print shower curtain with a little skirt. I think that would look so cute. Look how cute these woven baskets are for a little girl's room. I'm in the kitchen area right now. I'm looking for a new dish to place my skincare on. The one I currently have is marble, but I'm in between this Lazy Susan. I think I'm gonna get this. And if I don't like it, I'll just use it for my kitchen. But I like this. I like how it's elevated. I'm going for like a whole boho wood theme. I just don't know if this is a little bit too light. I really like this. It's different. I like this one too, but I think it's a little bit too long, and also it looks like it has some yellow marks on it, so this is out. And then I'm debating on getting this one. I just don't know if I like the thickness of the edge right here. So I'm in between this one, and this one. Is this one a little bit too big too? I found a darker one, but I think this one's just a little bit too dark. Whoops, let me go with this one. This is the current state of my bathroom. I'm just over the black and white. I've had this for a couple of years, like I've said. I got these towels off of Amazon and they're just old now. And plus I'm over it, so I think I wanna get some pink towels. I couldn't find any at HomeGoods. I wanna love the towels. I don't just wanna buy towels that are meh. I used to have eucalyptus in this flower vase, and then I swapped it for my fake tulips. I love this so much more. This is the aesthetic I'm going for. I like this hand towel. I recently got this from TJ Maxx, I think. And then this is the marble dish I was talking about that my skincare is currently in. And this is just too much. Like, I don't use all of this. Plus, I have like a skincare junk drawer graveyard down here. Like, I need to go through this too. But I want to consolidate this and just upgrade everything. So I'm about to do that right now. That's gonna go, that's gonna go, that's gonna go. I'm gonna keep this because I just bought that. I think that can tie into the floral theme because it is colorful. And I recently bought this from At Home. It was pretty inexpensive, but it is black and white, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that. I don't know if I want this. Is this ugly? Because I showed it to my husband and he gave me a weird look. He's like, that's different. I mean, I bought it thinking that I might return it. I was just going for like, you know, a boho cute vibe. Like, is that too plain though? Yeah, this is like, this belongs in the kitchen. Okay. Let me see. I don't know. It's growing on me. The wood is growing on me. Okay. I literally never use this. TikTok made me buy that one. This snail mucin. This is what it's looking like, but I think I need to put that in the cabinet. And I don't know, it just looks weird, doesn't it? What's going on? Maybe should I leave this here? Should I move this over here? I like my skincare close to the sink though. I don't know, it's starting to look weird now. For this to look good, I think I need to put a big plant right there. I just took that from my living room and even that's not big enough, but I need like something like this, but bigger. And I think that would balance everything out. A little bit more greenery over here. I'm just gonna have to go back to TJ Maxx. Let's just take these down now. There's no point in keeping them up. I've been over that one for a while anyways. This one is just old too. I don't really like this. I bought this and I never really loved it, so I'm kind of happy that I'm getting rid of this. I've outgrown this era. I want to get some pink towels like this shade. I think that will look so cute. And we just got to replace this. This is the inspo pic that I found on Pinterest. It's just so clean and timeless. So I'm going to try to recreate this in my own way. I was looking for floral shower curtains and these ones popped up from Love Shack Fancy. How freaking cute. They have little bow ties at the top. But of course, they're sold out. When I click on it, it takes me to the site and they only have the color blue. And that's just not it. I want the pink ones. And they're on sale. I need to replace the trash can. I just want to throw these towels away right now. I'm like, I should. I might as well, right? Let's just get rid of them. Let's do it. I just got this PR package from Selena in the mail. It's her newest shade. It's a bold red. And look how cute. She even sent a bow. Love that. I feel like I hardly wear a red lip anymore. I used to back in the day. But now that I'm getting my lips redone, I feel like I can rock a bold lip with confidence. I just unboxed my new robe from Love Shack Fancy. This was a splurge. It was a late B-Day gift to myself because I tried to get this in pink, but they were sold out. And since they recently restocked the purple one, I was like, you know what? I think I'll get the purple one because there's still pink in it and the model looked really good in it. And she has a similar skin tone as me, so she kind of just sold me on it. But this is my first Love Shack Fancy purchase. I purchased 2 of their hoodie sets from Gap when they collabed with them, but this is my first purchase from Love Shack Fancy, the actual store. I was gonna get a small medium, but I got the medium large, so it'll be a little oversized. I got this from At Home when I was redoing my other bathroom and it's just extra. I haven't returned it because I really do like it. I just haven't found a place for it yet. But it's just too small by itself on that wall right there. So I have these floating shelves that I got from TikTok Shop. There's 3 of them and I think I'm gonna have my husband hang one and then maybe I'll hang that a little bit higher right over it. And then I'm gonna put the other 2 in my bedroom. It looks better now that I have some white towels here. They're like 2 different colors. But when I get some pink ones, it'll start to look so much better. And then when I get a plant to put right here, okay, it's slowly coming together. And then I'm gonna need to get some stuff to decorate this shelf with. Happy Wednesday. I washed my hair. I'm feeling extra fresh. We did the floating shelves last night and they look so good. I have one in the bathroom. I'll show you in a second, but I'm using it as my perfume holder for right now. I think it looks great. And then I just took these 2 from the shelves in my living room. And this is the bathroom. I think it looks so good. I took this one from a shelf in the living room too. So I need like 3 fake plants at this point. And then I just put that a little bit higher. Happy Thursday. I just got to Ross. I haven't been here in so long, but I've been seeing people on TikTok say that they have some really cute shorts. So I'm gonna go check it out. And then after that, I'm gonna go to Marshall's to see if they have any of the fake plants that I'm looking for. I forgot to update you on my lips yesterday, but they look so much better. There's no filler mustache anymore, and I'm gonna get them refilled in another 2 weeks. I'm so excited, yay! I didn't get a bruise this time. My husband and I did a hot yoga class this morning. It was so freaking hard. I swear I was gonna faint in there. Sometimes I think their classes are too hot. So I don't know, I'm like at the point to where I'm like thinking about quitting just because they're so hot. My face was the reddest it's ever been leaving the class. One person left the room, so that's how hot it was. I haven't been in a class where someone left yet, but it happened today. I made myself a coffee, so I'm nice and caffeinated. I need to drink a little bit more though because I feel a little tired. I just feel out of it since that class. I feel like the class was counterintuitive just because it was so hot. Hot yoga is good for you, but like it can be too hot. I'm just like, someone needs to complain. It's not gonna be me though, because they're gonna be like, do you even go here? Let's go see what they have at Ross. I found this. It's only $8.99. I'm thinking I'll hang it in my bathroom. I love that it has the wooden pot. I'm just like, does a fake plant look a little bit too fake? Or is it just me? So I think I'm gonna get this. And then I also really like this. So I'm gonna get this too. This is $6.99. Look at this cute strawberry vase. Only $8. I'm noticing that they have a lot of the same things that Marshall's and TJ Maxx has. I'm surprised. I found a bunch of cute tops, so I'm trying them on in the fitting room right now, but so far I'm only gonna get one thing. The material on these tops aren't as soft as I was hoping for, so I really wanted to get this one because I love spicy margs. How cute is that? But the material is just kind of rough and it doesn't really fit right, so I'm gonna get this tube top. It has a little pink flower detail. It'll look good as PJs or if I wear them with my pink shoes. I'm getting this top too, but look at this shirt. How cute is that? Again, the material is just not soft, so I'm not gonna get it. Maybe if I had like a smaller chest or something. I just came to Marshall's and you already know that I want this. Like it kind of matches my shoes. Like, where would I hang it though? I have this one already. It's by Rachel Zoe. This one's a little bit different though because there's glitter in between the cracks. How freaking pretty is that? Okay, I just got home. This is my cabinet before. It's just not organized and I've been meaning to get some organizers for the longest time. So I picked this up from TJ Maxx and then I just ordered these off of Amazon. I tried to find some at HomeGoods, but all of the ones that they had were for display use only. I bought some new white dishware because I just want to switch to all white. I just think it looks cleaner, so I'm about to wash that. And then I'm gonna throw these out because I bought these from Walmart like a year ago or so, and I was just into that black and white. I was in my black and white phase, but I'm over it now. So what I'm actually gonna do is just throw all these away. I mean, I could donate them, but maybe I will donate them. So yeah, I mean, it's just my husband and I, and we just have too many dishes anyway, so This has been long overdue. All right, that's gonna have to do for now, and I'm gonna have to go back and get another one of these for sure because I really couldn't do anything with this cabinet. So I'm gonna go back. I have some returns and exchanges. Next is the spice cabinet. So I just bought this Lazy Susan from TJ Maxx or HomeGoods, and then I bought another one to put up here. But then I also saw this. This is on sale for like $6, and it's a 2-tier turntable. I just don't know if spices are going to be able to fit on the 2-tier. Like this one has more space, the middle one, but it's not really practical to be reaching up like that. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to put it together right now and mess around with it. This is the before. I just realized that I'm able to move the shelves after like 5 years of living in this apartment, but this looks so much better. Yay! This was only $6. So now I'm gonna return both of these. Holler, girl math. I just hung the plant in my second bathroom and I think it looks so good. It goes with the boho theme. I got this picture frame at Marshall's. Isn't this cute? I got this kind of last minute. I was like, I think a picture frame will look cute on this shelf. Next to the pink bow. And then this is gonna go. I am going to hang this in place of the picture. It's gonna look so freaking good. I'm so proud of myself. I really am an interior decorator these days. I don't know what my style was before, but it wasn't it, okay? And now I'm all about boho, green, floral, and pink. So let's take this down. I'm sad to see this go, but this was inexpensive. Let's see if the hook is actually like the perfect height. Oh. Is this like getting in the way of the... I think it's fine, right? I'm not sure about this picture frame being here though. I don't know why. Should I return this? I don't know. I might have to return this picture frame. It's just not giving. Is it too much? I mean, everything's coming together. I'm loving it. The other fake plant that I got to put here was just a little bit too small, so I just put this pink orchid here. I've had this forever. It used to be here when I first decorated my bathroom, and I just put it back, and I think it looks great. It adds a little bit of height right next to my skincare. All right, things are actually coming together. I was thinking that I was gonna get a wooden soap dispenser, but I kind of like how the green ties into the fake plants. Now I just need to get new shower curtains, and that's pretty much it. I mean, I was gonna get new pink towels today, but I didn't absolutely love them, so I'm just not trying to spend money just to spend money, and it kind of seems like that's what I'm doing right now, so I had to pump the brakes on that. But yay, total bathroom makeover. I love this. Let me know, do you think I should return the picture frame or keep it? And also I'm like, what picture should I put in there? I'm such a greaseball right now. I have a ton of laundry to put away. So I'm about to do that right now. And that retail therapy really wiped me out. So I'm gonna end the vlog here because I don't want it to be too long. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're following me on all social platforms and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll see you next week.